National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, Dickson County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Montgomery County in Middle Tennessee, Cheatham County in Middle Tennessee, northeastern Hickman County in Middle Tennessee, southwestern Robertson County in Middle Tennessee, until 1:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles southeast of Clarksville to 11 miles east of Erin, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dickson, Ashland City, Nashville, Clarksville, Madison, Forest Hills, Coopertown, White Bluff, Belmead, Kingston Springs, Lakewood, Pegram, Burns, Bellevue, Jolton, Pleasant View, Charlotte, Van Leer, Slayton and Cheatham Dam. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers 171 and 181, in between mile markers 185 and 211. Interstate 65 between mile markers 82 and 93. Interstate 24 between mile markers 12 and 49. Interstate 840 between mile markers 1 and 6. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for